To this evening's edition of E-Prime, I am Daedran. Now, dancehall artist Idonia has spoken out about his involvement in a motor vehicle accident on Sunday morning. The artist shared this photo on his Instagram, thanking his fans for their support. It was reported that Idonia was making his way to perform at an event dubbed Fire at the University of the West Indies Mona campus when his Mercedes-Benz AMG Coupe SUV collided with another car. The artist received minor injuries from the incident. A few dancehall artists and fans have since sent their well wishes to the DJ. As the anticipation grows for Carnival season, Bacchanal Jamaica gave revelers a treat on Friday night at their premiere event dubbed Bacchanal vs. Dancehall. The event, held at Mass Camp, pulled a huge crowd and featured musical selection from disc jocks Tyler, Chromatic, Bishop Escobar, and Lord Hype.
It's great, full of vibes, dancehall and soca. I like the mix. Selector them good, they're great.
The party's going great, love this dancehall. Well, it's not the soca though, but it's good.
Not short of the usual excitement. Director of Bacchanal Jamaica Michael Lamar Jr. was pleased with this year's crowd.
Turn up for Bacchanal dancehall has been great. General is packed, VIP is 90% full, everybody's having a great time and the DJs are working the stage. So
Bacchanal Jamaica will celebrate their 20th year on the road and plans to give patrons the ultimate carnival experience. The brand's costume line has already been sold out.
All of our costumes are completely sold out, 100% sold out. We have a few t-shirts left, but apart from that, the band is full and we can't wait to have a great time on the road, everyone.
Bacchanal Jamaica's next event is Beach Juve at Grizzly's Plantation Cove in St. Ann this Saturday. See you there. Reggae artist Taurus Riley is gearing up to launch his t-shirt and hat line. The line will be inspired by his track Simple Blessings, which features dancehall artist Conscience. The reggae singer says the t-shirt line will be stylish and appealing to fans of all ages. Riley now joins a growing list of entertainers who have established clothing lines. Back in 2013, Conscience launched a shoe line called Cons 876. He followed it up with the Conscience clothing line, while Shaggy has released a line dubbed Raytown Apparel, and Cockatee recently launched his Cockorobics apparel line. Taurus is upbeat about the line of merchandise, as the proceeds from the line will go towards charity. No release date has been announced for the line as yet, but Taurus is celebrating the collaboration with Governor on a track called Unanswered. This new track, Unanswered, was dubbed unlikely between the two, but it has been receiving rave reviews since it was released. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.